Hi, my name is Kim Goeltom, and I am a certified master wellness coach through the International Association of Wellness Professionals. I'm also the founder of the Empowered Living for Superwomen Program, and I'm excited to be here today to share with you an easy recipe to make date syrup. And you might be wondering, why date syrup and what is date syrup? So let me tell you a little bit about why I'm so passionate about using date syrup as a replacement for refined sugar. As you probably already know, refined sugar doesn't have any fiber or nutritional value. So when it enters your system, it gets digested fairly quickly, which is then why your blood levels spike really fast. Well, here's the great thing about dates. They have fiber. And so when it enters your system, fiber in general in any food actually makes you feel full, which then means it's taking a longer time for your body to digest that particular food, which means your sugar levels don't keep spiking and lowering and spiking and lowering. So this actually keeps you a little bit more level. The other thing that I love about dates is it has a lot of incredible nutrition. So you've got iron, you've got potassium, you've got calcium, you've got copper. You ready for this big one? Magnesium. And if you're not familiar with magnesium, let me tell you a little bit about why magnesium is so amazing. It actually helps relax your muscles. So having date syrup can actually be a calming sugar. Could you imagine that? A calming, I should say sweetener. But could you imagine having a sweetener that actually helps relax you? Because if you've had refined sugar, and you can test this out if you haven't seen this or been aware of it, it will make you a little hyper and anxious, and you'll start feeling like this and talking like that, right? That's part of the spiking in your sugar levels. But with the dates, that doesn't happen. So how do you make date syrup? All you need are some medjool dates. You can easily find those at your local grocery store. These days, you can also order them online from any of your favorite places that you like to order things online. And this is an easy recipe. It's a 1-to-1 ratio. So I use a high-powered blender. Actually, I'm going to fill this first. And I like to have a little bit extra because you can use this for baking. You can use this in coffee. You can use this in tea. Again, you could use this in baking cookies, breads, muffins. This could be your syrup on your pancakes or your waffles. So many possible things that you could use date syrup for. So I have 2 cups of dates right here. You do have to make sure if you buy dates, they do come in most cases with a pit, so you want to cut that out. That's super easy. Some will already have that removed, so just double check because you don't want to put your pits into the blender. That'll make it not as creamy. So I'm going to go ahead and put my 2 cups of dates in there. And again, this is a 1-to-1 ratio. So if you want to do 1 cup of dates and 1 cup of water, that works too. So of course, I've got my 2 cups of water here. And this typically lasts in the refrigerator 5 to 7 days. Okay, lights, camera, action. So that didn't take long. And here we go. We have nice, actually, I'll pour it in here to make it easy for you to see. It's very creamy. So you could, again, dollop this out. You could use it as a syrup. You could use it for baking. So lots of options for having a super easy replacement for refined sugar. And I will go ahead and make sure I put some of the nutritional information below in the description, as well as the 1-to-1 recipe and high-powered blender. Okay, well, thank you so much for your time. Have a super fantastic rest of your day. And for more wellness tips, check out creatinglegacywellness.com. Thank you.